The history and technology of making pita bread. Pita bread, with its soft texture and unique pocket, has been a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine for centuries. Its history intertwines with the advancements in technology and cultural practices of the region. The origins of pita bread can be traced back to ancient civilizations in the Mediterranean and Middle Eastern regions. Evidence suggests that early forms of flatbreads, resembling modern-day pita, were consumed as early as 14,000 years ago in the Natufian culture of the Levant. These early flatbreads were likely made from ground grains mixed with water and baked on hot stones or in primitive ovens. As civilization progressed, so did the techniques for bread making. The introduction of yeast around 300 BC revolutionized bread production, leading to the development of leavened bread, including what we now recognize as pita bread. The use of yeast allowed for the dough to rise, resulting in a softer, more airy texture. Traditional methods of making pita bread involve simple ingredients: flour, water, salt, and yeast. The dough is prepared by mixing these ingredients until a smooth consistency is achieved. It is then left to ferment, allowing the yeast to activate and the dough to rise. Once the dough has risen, it is divided into smaller portions, which are shaped into balls and flattened into rounds. These rounds are then placed onto a hot surface, such as a griddle or a domed oven called a taboon or tandoor. The intense heat causes the dough to puff up dramatically, creating the characteristic pocket within the bread. The baking process is brief, typically lasting only a few minutes per loaf. The rapid cooking time helps preserve the moisture within the bread, resulting in a soft interior and a slightly crispy exterior. While traditional methods of making pita bread remain prevalent in many regions, modern technology has introduced innovations that streamline the production process and improve consistency and efficiency. In addition to advancements in baking equipment, improvements in agricultural practices and flour milling have contributed to the quality and consistency of pita bread production. High-quality flour, made from carefully selected wheat varieties and milled to specific specifications, results in superior dough elasticity and texture. Pita bread stands as a testament to the rich culinary heritage of the Middle East and Mediterranean regions. Its evolution from simple flatbreads to the iconic pocket bread we know today reflects the ingenuity of ancient bakers and the influence of technological advancements. Whether made using traditional methods or modern technologies, the art of pita bread making continues to be cherished and celebrated around the world. Its versatility and delicious flavor make it a beloved staple in cuisines far beyond its region of origin, ensuring its place at the table for generations to come.